I'm Lee Crow from LCR Shopfitters. Business established 2019. Purchased from Gibson Retail Solutions. I'm the sole director. Currently 26 employees. Various contracts throughout the industry. Our core role and core customer being Gibson Retail Solutions, with our primary products being in the retail industry. Our main line of machinery is all Biesse. We run two C9 nesters, the first one being a 2005 Rover C9 and a 2008 Rover C9. Our latest purchase has been an Acron 1400 Edgebander through Biesse, which the finish coming off the machine is second to none. The machine has pre-milling. We have two glue attachments. We can also run the PUR head and the EVA glue. Our Acron 1400 Edgebander is also hooked up with the IoT Sophia software. Now, this enables me to record usage via an app on my phone or direct on my PC. It also alerts the Biesse techs if there's ever an issue on the machine, which safely hasn't had to be used. But for measurements and operating times and running, I can be in another country and see what my machine's doing. It also enables Biesse guys to link into the machine if there's ever any issues, which will help troubleshoot any problems without needing a technician on site. The Biesse service side as well, I've never had an issue where they've not been able to get me out of trouble, whether it is remotely or by coming out and getting us out of trouble, right down to a day where Biesse actually helped me by coming over to their showroom and running the machine to get a job over the line. Our current Acron 1400 is an upgrade from our previous Acron machine, which also served its time well in our factory for over 15 years, which is very good for an Edgebander's lifespan, and it is still being moved on to somebody that's still using the machine today. And the other good feature about the Edgebander is that we were able to use the universal return table from the old machine into the new machine, which was a massive saving alone. I recommend a Biesse machine, whether it be an Edgebander or a nesting machine. The quality of the machinery is just far more superior than anything else on the market. We've used Biesse as long as I've been in the industry. Right back to 1991 was the first time I laid my hands on a Biesse machine. The service from Biesse, the sales, the effort that the team go to get me over the line is greatly appreciated, and I'd recommend it to anybody.